Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be doing a product review on QuickStep EverTEK engineered hardwood. Let's dive in. QuickStep EverTEK engineered hardwood is available in two collections, EverTEK Select and EverTEK Plus. EverTEK Select is made up of two styles, Centaurea and Purano, and they come in the following sizes. Centaurea is 7 inches wide by 48 inches long, and Purano is 7 inches wide by 81 inches long. EverTEK Plus comes in one style called Tristina and features wider, longer planks that are 9 inches wide by 81 inches long. However, they all have the same thickness. Next, let's talk about one of the standout features, the patented WetProtect technology. QuickStep EverTEK floors feature watertight joints that prevent water from leaking through the gaps to damage your subfloor, and they have a waterproof finish that traps moisture on the surface. This innovative technology ensures the right kind of waterproofing, making it ideal for areas prone to moisture like kitchens and bathrooms. Plus, it comes with the only lifetime surface and subfloor warranty in the market. Now let's take a look at the Everlast technology. This hardwood is designed to remain beautiful 4 times longer than ordinary hardwood. The advanced technology provides unmatched durability backed by a lifetime wear warranty. You can trust that your EverTEK floors will maintain their aesthetic appeal even after years of use. Thanks to EasyClean technology, this flooring offers excellent stain and soil protection, ensuring easy cleanup. The enhanced lacquer resists stains and prevents soil buildup within the grain of the hardwood, allowing your floor to look its best for a longer period of time. Another great feature of this floor is that the installation process is hassle-free thanks to the Uniclic system. This system allows for easy and secure click-lock installation, which is why it is a great choice for DIY enthusiasts. Plus, it can be installed on, above, or below grade, making it suitable for various areas within your home. So whether you're an experienced installer or a novice, you'll appreciate the simplicity and efficiency of the Uniclic system. And when it comes to protecting your investment, QuickStep EverTEK has you covered. It features dent protection, making it more resistant to accidental impacts and day-to-day wear and tear. Additionally, the enhanced stain and scratch protection adds another layer of defense against common hazards, ensuring your floors stay in pristine condition. Last but not least, this collection comes in 2 wood species with a variety of colors, allowing you to find the perfect match for your style and taste. Centaurea is crafted from durable hickory, while Purano and Tristina are crafted from elegant European white oak. Centaurea is available in 3 colors: Aster Oak, Canterbury Hickory, and Tanbridge Hickory. Purano is available in 4 colors: Fen Oak, Loam Oak, Mangrove Oak, and Peat Oak. Tristina is available in 3 colors: Dakota Oak, Westbrook Oak, and Yellow Clay Oak. All these colors feature a wire brush texture that creates a beautiful rustic look and will enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your space. Now that I've gone over the features and benefits, let's put QuickStep EverTEK to the test. EverTEK floors come with Everlast protection, so the protective layer will not wear through to the wood veneer or decorative layer. We're going to test this by scratching the floor with a wire brush to see how the protective layer holds up. I don't see any visible scratches, so I think it held up to the wear protection that it claims it has, so you can be rest assured that your floors are going to look beautiful longer. Now I'm going to test the waterproof technology. This flooring will resist normal topical household spills under normal use, so such as spilled water. This water has been sitting here for about 5 minutes. However, you want to clean up spills immediately. According to QuickStep, you do not want to let it sit for more than 30 minutes. And when it talks about being waterproof, the surface is waterproof. If the water does go over the edge of your floor and onto your subfloor, it is no longer considered waterproof. So you want to clean up any topical spills with a dry or cloth, tape, paper towel, whatever you have. So as you can see, there is no visible water marks or water stains. So the surface is definitely waterproof, which means you can damp or wet mop these floors. QuickStep warrants that the flooring will not stain under normal household use. So if you were to spill red wine or your kids spill juice on it, make sure to clean it up right away. And since they're claiming that it won't stain, we are going to test that now with some red wine. We already spilled some red wine on the wood, so it's been sitting for a few minutes. Now we're just going to clean it up with a dry cloth and see if it left a stain or not. So first you want to blot to soak up as much of the wine as possible, and then you may have to do this just a few times to make sure you got all of the wine up. So far, I don't see any red wine stains, so I say that it passed the stain test. That's it for this product review. Just to recap, QuickStep EverTEK Engineered Hardwood is durable, dent resistant, waterproof, easy to clean and install, features enhanced stain and scratch protection, can be steam mopped, and has lifetime wear and WetProtect warranty. For more information on QuickStep products, visit our website at georgiacarpet.com. Thank you for watching, and we hope you consider QuickStep EverTEK Engineered Hardwood for your next flooring project. See you next time!